How's it going, people? Okay, very quickly, I had a problem, right? This is a 94 Suburban Chevy. It's got a 350 TBI, which stands for throttle body injection. The symptoms, I'm gonna step away because it's kind of loud. Started the vehicle right where it sits, was about to go into town. It ran for about 30 seconds and died. Would not start again. Could crank, but would not start again. I looked up a bunch of videos, and the long and the short of all these guys doing these diagnostic this and checking that and blah, 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 it seems like every single one of them, it ended up being this right here. This is called an ignition module. I'll turn the car off and show you where it goes. But this goes on Chevys, the alternator is in the back. Distributor. Alternator is in the front. Distributor is in the back. That's where all your spark plugs go. Okay, this little dude talks from the distributor to the computer, is the layman's term. Okay, it seems like it's a pretty common problem. She seems to be running pretty good now. Not really any different than before, but it's running. Okay, come on now. This vehicle has 171,000 miles. It's pretty good shape. It's in pretty good shape. Okay, I put the air cleaner back on, so it's gonna be more difficult to see. Let me put some stuff down here, but it is right. All the coil wires, sun, focus. Oh, come on. Right, oh, there it is, right there. We see where that little plug plugs in? Right at the bottom of the distributor cap. Okay. So you take off your air filter cleaner. There's 2 screws on the distributor cap. Pop it off. If you really want to, watch a video. Ignition module. Costs 50 bucks. Okay. This happens to you. You're driving on the road and your truck just dies. It's probably this. Okay. Just start with that. I know it's these guys they're doing they're good mechanics. They're doing diagnostic work and they're questioning what's wrong and they're trying to really figure it out and blah blah blah, and they spend hours trying to figure it out. Meanwhile, they're probably charging at least $50 an hour. And all the time. Right there, buddy. 50 bucks. DIY job. You can do it. So, yeah. If you leave a comment, I won't reply. See y'all later.